In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Starbucks gift card. Whether you're thanking a coworker, celebrating a birthday, or sending a quick pick-me-up, an e-gift is a fast, simple way to brighten someone's day. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First, open the Starbucks website on your browser or launch the Starbucks mobile app on your phone. Both options work the same for what we're doing today, so choose whichever is most convenient. Make sure you have a steady internet connection so nothing times out while you're checking out. Next, look for the gift cards section. On the website, you'll typically find it in the main navigation. In the app, it may appear as gift cards or send e-gift. Tap or click that to open the gift card storefront. This is where you'll see the available designs and options. Now, choose a design. Starbucks usually offers a wide range of styles, everything from seasonal artwork to simple classic looks, so pick something that matches the occasion or the recipient's personality. Don't overthink it. The main value is in the gift itself, and any design you pick will work perfectly. After you've selected a design, enter the amount you'd like to load onto the card. You'll see suggested amounts, and you can typically type in a custom value within the allowed range. Consider how the recipient might use it. Enough for a couple of drinks or a week's worth of coffee breaks, and choose the amount that fits your budget. Then, add the recipient's email. This is where the e-gift will be delivered, so take a moment to double-check the address for typos. A small mistake here can delay the gift, so verify the spelling before you move on. Next, enter your payment details. You can usually pay with a major debit or credit card and, in many regions, other digital payment options. Make sure your billing information matches your payment method to avoid any errors. If the system asks for a postal code or additional verification, that's normal. Just complete what's requested. When everything looks good, click Send or Checkout. This is the point to review the design, the amount, and the recipient's email one last time. Once you confirm, your order is placed. The e-gift card is delivered by email, typically instantly or within a few minutes. Let the recipient know to check their inbox. That's it. Fast, convenient, and done. Now you know exactly how to buy a Starbucks gift card online or in the app from start to finish.